Okay, let's take a walk. Late night walk. What's the timestamp? It's I have no clue. Part 2 of a great night out, and it's a thing. Play with Ning, they say. Just having a good time here. Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Yeah, Jacques reporting for you. Chiang Mai rainy season. How is Chiang Mai in rainy season? Like this. Chiang Mai in the rainy season is like this. Raining in the late afternoon. What's your timestamp? It's 6:30. 6:30 we're at Inbox. It's rainy season. Yeah, and late afternoon it's raining. Early afternoon. It's not that hard, but it's wet. Inbox is a bistro bar outside of the city. It's about 20 minutes in Tasala. What the guys talking? Bistro bar is very popular by local people. You don't have to let the rain hold you back, there's no reason. Of course the temperature is always good here in Chiang Mai. It does not matter, it's always good. Everything outside, inside, outside. Most times it's only in the afternoon when it starts raining. When the sun goes down and the temperatures drops a little, then it's the cue for the clouds to let the rain fall down. And not every day. Now yesterday there was a storm, there was a thunderstorm. This is just regular rain. It's not raining that hard. It can be raining rather hard, but not today. Not today. Oh, you should come over here. You should come over here, have a good time here. It's almost famous. Inbox Tasala. Look for it. Oh, I will put a link somewhere in the description. Link to Google Maps. Yeah, I can recommend this place. Probably, if you know the channel, you know, because we come here once a month. Yeah, the hot pot, that's part of the concept. The main dish is the hot pot in the modern way with a gas stove and a cylinder on the table. Inbox is mostly visited by local people. You don't see any tourists over here. Some, but not that much. Inbox. Now there are more places like this. There are coming more down the strip. It's around the highway or a halfway. It's a big road, and then the more places like this are opening up. This is Inbox. Popular by local people. And the hot pot is the main dish, the most popular concept. Yes, and live music is part of the concept. And all different artists. No, it's okay, yeah, good music. Good music. Oh, the fish. coming in. Yeah, food is the main attraction. Eat fish in your brain. The right. Grease, omega 3, something like that. Fish for your brain. Yeah. Chiang Mai in rainy season needs some improvising. A little bit improv. No, it's not that bad. It's only a little bit. Yeah, it's quite suitable for company events. Company events. The whole crew, the whole team together. So it doesn't matter what season it is, you can always have a good time over here. They call it rainy season. Sometimes late afternoon when the sun comes out. Still you can have a good time. Celebrate your birthday over here. Next time. With the bear. Happy birthday to her. Happy birthday to me. Not my birthday, my friend. My friend, chop chop. Let's have a good time, man. Bye bye bear. Always have a good time here over here. Inbox Bistro and Bar. The food is the main attraction. It's mostly popular by local people. Local people like to come here. Good for your company entertainment, your company festival. Yeah. Even in rainy season. Still, the food is the main attraction. Chiang Mai in rainy season. Still having a good time here at Inbox. Just in between the music. Yeah, the food is the main attraction. This is hot. Food is the main attraction, but music and the beer and the entertainment and it's all included. It's having a good time here. Having a good time. Some kind of how you call it. At some point you will notice some culture differences. Some people, they don't say anything when they arrive, and the same people don't say anything when they leave. It's a cultural difference. There's a
having a good time, and it's a break between the music. There's live music. There's live music all night long. Sometimes I have. Now it's live. Yeah. We take the break. Okay. We're gonna go for the second part of this evening. The rainy season in Chiang Mai Thailand. Yeah, what is your time step? 10:30, something like that. Yeah. Part 2 of a great night out here. Loi Kroh Road at rainy season. Loi Kroh Road at rainy season. Here we are. Cherry blossom. Play with Ning, they say. Yeah, that's what we like. That's what we like. It's not a short. Because what she do? What the fuck? Part 2 of a great night out. Here we are. Cherry Blossom Bar. It's my turn. Almost win, but not the. What? Play with Ning, they say. Over there. Oh, it's bold. Ah. Okay. Part 2 of a great night out, and it's a thing. Play with Ning, they say. Just having a good time here. Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai, Thailand. What can you expect in the rainy season? Is it part 2? Or is it just a new video? Could be a new video. Here we are, Jacques reporting for you. Chiang Mai nightlife here at Cherry Blossom Bar. Cherry Blossom Bar. Play pool at the green table. What she's doing? It's too easy. What she's doing? Oh, that's too easy. That's why she leave it like that. That's I don't know what tactic that is. A yellow ball, it was too easy. I'll play with them, they say. Yeah, on the green table. We're on the green table. Cherry blossom. Where's the blossom? Cherry Blossom Bar over here. Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Rainy season. Is it part 2 or is it just a new video? Nobody knows. No, it's my turn now. I was the winner. Play with them, let's say. Yeah. Check out the shorts, Check out the shorts. Here we are. Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai, Thailand in rainy season. How is Loi Kroh Road in rainy season? Now it's just like this, Check out the shorts. Rutteknut. It's too easy, Nay, it's my turn now. Nay, Papa win. Yeah, and getting emotional because of the. Yeah. Now I have to cry. Just having a good time here. Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai Thailand. Have a break now. just an impression, just an impression here. Loi Kroh Road, Cherry Blossom Bar, Friday night out. The girls are waiting for you. You should be here too. Just an impression, having a good time here. Cherry Blossom Bar, we're gonna take a walk. We're gonna walk to enjoy. We're gonna walk to enjoy. Okay, let's take a walk. Late night walk. What's the timestamp? It's I have no clue to tell you the time when we arrive. It's half. I don't know. 1 o'clock, something like that. This is a dark part.
You okay?
No.
You sure?
Yes, darling.
Not trouble over there, huh?
No. Why should I make trouble? We've been to Inbox. In Inbox they don't have the zero. It's about 1 o'clock now. Hello. Yeah. Here, so it's around 1 o'clock, something like that. Some places there are already closed, and the front is already shut here at Enjoy. It's 1:30 already. Bye bye. Time flies when you're having fun, huh? 1:30 already. Yeah, just an impression. About it's later than I thought it was. You can support the channel, buy me a zero. Buy me a zero on the Buy Me a Zero page. No, it's the page is Buy Me a Coffee, but I made it a beer and it turned out to be a zero. The link is in the description. Where's the camera? So it has been raining in the beginning of the evening, around 9 o'clock, something like that. When the sun goes down, often that's the time. Huh?
Yeah, I'm here.
Often that's the time when the rain starts. When the sun comes down, the temperature drops a little bit, and that's the trigger to start the rain, and then it rains for an hour or maybe longer. Now, what time we were out? Yeah, it was raining, but yeah, it doesn't rain all night or the whole evening. So at some point it will be stopped. It stopped, and now it's about almost 1 o'clock already. Yes. You don't notice anything about the rain. So how about Loi Kroh Road in rainy season? How about Chiang Mai in rainy season? Yeah, sometimes it rains. But it shouldn't hold you back. It shouldn't hold you back to come over here. You can just have a good time. Temperature drops a little bit, only a little bit when it rains. And you never have to wear a jacket or something else. No. You should be here in this time of year. It's nice and quiet. You get all the attention. You get all the attention you need here. Loi Kroh Road, Chiang Mai Thailand. Chiang Mai Nightlife in rainy season. Your timestamp, it's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock already. And that means that everything is closed. Now the restaurant will be closed about 11 o'clock, something like that. And all the bars, they are closed. Sometimes they close up the front. Sometimes they close up the front, but they are still, yeah, the door is open. When the door is closed, the door is closed. Oh yes, at 2 o'clock you can look for an open door. If you find an open door, then you can still have your drink, your attention, your entertainment. Yeah, if the door is closed, it's closed. It's not real nightlife. It's not until 6 o'clock something. There are some venues, there are some places they close only. They close the next day, something like that. But yeah, more club things. At the end of Loi Kroh Road there is a club thing, and often, sometimes when the bars are closed, the girls would go over there, take up something like that. And there is another thing. At the basement of the big hotel there is something. There are real nightclubs and they will be open late. The old, the other things, night things. Yeah, there are night things. Night things there are open, but most of the bars, and also over there at Loi Kroh Boxing Stadium, also at Night Bazaar, most of the bars they will be closed. Yes, I was looking, what's this? It's a cat. It's a cat looking in the trash. Here it's 2 o'clock already. There's nothing happening anymore here at Loi Kroh Road. You can look for some places they are open late. I think around the corner there is some place, I'm not sure about the name, but behind Spicy and Lucky, B2B, but I'm not sure about the name. It will be open late, but will it be busy? No, I don't think it will be busy. It's rainy season, that means low season. It's low season. There are still people around here and going around, but no, it's low season, low season. I'm glad I'm not owning a bar over here. Fuck! 2 o'clock at night, you still can have your noodle soup. If the video is working, it is shot number 3. Shot number 3. This is the one. That's the one I get my noodle soup from once a week. Once in a week I eat healthy. It's healthy. It's healthy. Fresh ingredients, and I cannot cook it myself. So. It is 2 o'clock at night, but life continues. Life goes on. It's what you're missing if you're not here. Huh? What? That's why you should be here. And, where are you? Leave your comments. Leave your comments below and tell me where you are. Reporting for you, late night Chiang Mai nightlife. Late night Chiang Mai, not early afternoon. Late night. Late night people. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Just like and subscribe. This was just an impression of Chiang Mai in low season. Nightlife, early nightlife, late afternoon nightlife in rainy season. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Just like and subscribe, and I see you later. Good.